Alright, Dean Davidson, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. It's time for the first look at your snowfall forecast for Saturday here for me. And we're going to have a potential Saturday, and we're also going to have it again Tuesday, believe it or not, here in the south and further up. And we'll take a look at this computer model. This is the NAM computer model. And what's going on here is we're seeing the precipitation moving in around hour 27. And like I said, you don't have to have the 32-inch line. Green line to be past you. It's got to snow above 32 degrees, and that's what a lot of people are not seeing. If anything, that's going to increase the amount of snow. It might not start sticking to you. But you don't remember, the official snowfall will be recorded via a cylinder that's a dump. So what happens is you can get, it'll furnish precipitation, so that's how they do it at the Weather Service. So that's why you don't have to have an actual measure of snow on the ground to get actual measure of snow. If you didn't know that, some information for you. And you can see this increases snow across here. And here's where I'm talking about in my snowfall. Here's where I think interior South Jersey and Philly might have it good, because you're looking at some pretty good snowfall rates still on there. I really think the best spot's going to be here in New Jersey and back here towards Lehigh Valley. I'm not making up as well as Philadelphia will do on this job. New York City's going to get it. Boston's going to really get it as it goes further north. And we'll continue to move this up to the north and the east. Maybe some background snowfall as we start going towards next week, which is a whole nother bag of chips. We're going to have cold air in place, and that's going to allow the system to get going pretty well for Tuesday also. Here's your VFS run. You can see, to start off, cold air dips in. There's that low pressure system. There's the double barrel low. This is what we're going to look at right here. You get the 32 degree line, you get cold air coming in from the north. That's going to allow snow to pile up in this location right around here. This is going to be a bullseye zone for snow. Not as much back here from Roanoke, making an inch, half an inch to an inch, especially higher elevations, in 1 to 3 in Baltimore, Washington, but Philly, north and east, that's going to be your area for snowfall. When we go beyond that, you can see hour 138, you get another low pressure developing off the coast of the Carolinas, and that's where we got the potential for snowfall, and again in the northeast and in the mid-Atlantic states, including here in Roanoke, for the day on Tuesday. So that's a little bit ways out, but that's still something that's we got our eyes on. Beyond that, this also slows down and bombs out off the coast, so that could be really leaving some situation here for the northeast. So very interesting time ahead when it comes to snowfall potential here in the northeast. You're trying to think kind of solution for the storm here. I'm still saying that Philadelphia, northeast, looks to be the best spot for the location for snow. And beyond that, really don't. There's the low shows up at hour 168, so it does show a low developing here and then moving in this direction. But I think we more of a western solution based on what's been going on in the atmosphere, and it's going to be cold enough for snow. Finally, here in the northeast mid-Atlantic, and here down the Roanoke Valley, for some snow this year, some salvageable snow. My call is DC 2 to 4, Baltimore 2 to 4, 3 to 6 Philly, 5 to 10 interior New Jersey. I think that's going to be the prime time. 4 to 8 New York City, 6 to 12 Boston, so it's going to be heavier up as the thing bombs out. Bombogenesis, and we got 1 to 2 here in Roanoke. That's for mainly the higher elevations. So that's what we see coming on for Saturday, and it's really too early to even talk about Tuesday's snowfall potential at this time. Stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for all your latest weather information. Dean Davidson, LiveWeatherBlogs.com.